So this is another quadratic equation by completing the square method. Like we said before, we have to take this last term to the other side. And so you now have 2y squared minus 3y equals 3 if minus crosses equality sign. But mind you, the original quadratic expression is ax plus bx plus c equals 0. So this is what it is. So when solving quadratic by completing the square, you must make sure that the coefficients of the x square, this one, should be 1. Okay? The coefficients of x square, or the one that is carrying the square, should be 1. And what do? You divide all through by 2, so that the coefficients of y square can be 1. Okay? You must note it. The coefficients of the x square be 1. Make it what? Make it 1. Make it 1. Okay? Let the coefficients what? Be 1. And so we now divide both, so we have 2xy square all over 2 minus 3y all over 2 equals 3 over 2. Okay? This is how we do it. And so you have your y square minus 3 over 2y equals to 3 over 2. So this is this stage. Now the coefficients of b, which is the middle one, the coefficients of x square, of x, which is b now, half of it, like in this one, half of it is to divide it by 2. Coefficients of what? Of y in this equation is minus 3 over 2. Then half of the coefficients will be minus 3 over 2 divided by what? 2. So when you solve that, you have minus 3 over 2. Change this division to minus, you have 1 over 2. And your answer will be minus 3 over 4. Okay? Then square it. You have to square this. Square it and add it to both sides. Square it and add to both sides. Add to both sides. The square of it will be minus 3 over 4. You square it like this, okay? So this is what we mean. So when you come to here, you now have your y square minus 3 over 2y plus this square of the coefficients of everything you have done. You have minus 3 over 4 all square is equals to 3 over 2 plus minus 3 over 4 all square. Okay? This is how we roll. You take it step by step. It's not difficult, but make sure you don't miss any of the steps. So what you do is, like I told you, for you not to go through the long way, since you have square here and you have minus 3 over 4 square, so the sign that will be in the bracket should be minus. Okay? Should be minus. Else, you want to simplify further and factorize. So what you do simply is to write y minus 3, this minus, all square will be 3 over 2 plus 9 over 16. Okay, it's as simple as that. So what you do is to simplify it further. Equals, when you find the LCM, you have 16. 16 divided by 2, 8 times 3, you have 24. 16 divided by 16, you have 1 times 9, you have 9. So you now have y minus 3 over 4 all square equals 24 plus 3 plus 9, you have 33 over what? 16. Okay, 33 over 16. So it's simple. Don't make it hard. So what you do is to do the main solution. Y is equals to, you clear the square. Y minus, still retain minus 4 over 3 over 4 equals to plus or minus, because this, you are introducing the square root sign. Okay. No, mind you, is serving for the both numerator and denominator. So your y now will be 3 over 4 plus or minus. If you find the square root of this using your calculator, the square root of 33 will give you 5.7745. You can approximate it to be 6. All over the square root of 16 is 4. Okay, and so you just do it further to be y is equals to 3 all over 4 plus 5 over 7.777.744446, okay, over 4, or 3 over 4, okay, minus 5.7446 over 4. So if you do your calculation, you now have 8.7446 over 4, or 3 minus 5.7446, you have minus 2.7446 over 4. So your answer will be this. If you divide it, you have 8.7446 divided by 4. You have 2.186, or you divide this, you have 0 minus 0.686. This is your answer. Go through it, go over it one by one, play it again, and you know that it's simple.